Okay, welcome back to,
this is episode 1. Alright, we're going to be starting a brand new series. We don't really know what to call it.
You guys need to pick it for us, please.
Comment us or message us. So, we're pretty much idiots.
Yeah.
Majorly. We just like totally love to just hang out and chill.
And mess around. Trash can surf.
We're gonna be trash can surfing.
Yes, we do.
But I'm Hannah.
I'm Courtney.
And this is like our very first episode. And so,
I'll say this much. Both the guys who like starts with B. I just realized that. They both start with B.
no way. But we're not having a conversation.
Okay, one of the
important details she thinks is so important that both the guys we like names start with B.
And they go to 2 separate schools though.
The one that I like actually goes to our school.
The one that I like goes to my old school, and we talk like every day. Okay. Well, if you can tell, my eyes are dilated.
Nobody's gonna get. She's on.
Just don't tell them.
No, but seriously, she's getting glasses. Is the camera on here?
Yeah.
So go get it.
Wait. God, this little fatty wants to everybody to see her.
What is he yelling?
Okay, you like halfway on it.
Is this on it?
Yes.
Am I on it now?
Yes.
On it now?
Half your face. Okay.
I'm losing like circulation, so.
Okay. So, anyway. Well, okay, just we're in the.
I can't do it anymore. Shit.
Out. Okay. So tell them what school we go to?
Oh, there's perfect out there.
What? I mean, will you tell them what district?
Yeah, sure. We go to Alaska District because we live in Alaska.
Shit, I hate cold.
We're here. We live in Alaska, but we go to Hawaii for the vacation. Ew!
What about my school district?
In Alaska!
Okay.
Don't tell them.
They're not gonna care. But everybody knows. Okay. Sorry, we'll talk about this later. Gross.
So, like, also, we're having an argument on who's prettier. So, just like, comment us.
Hold on, let me show my hair.
That is comment us on who's prettier.
Hold on, it's back in my hair. I gotta show them off.
She wants to show the stupid blonde streaks.
Oh, and she wants to show her honest butt.
Don't. Alright, bye everybody.
Okay, Liz, comment us what,
Hannah and Courtney, comment us on what you want our name to be.
name of our show
and prettier.
Pick me, please.